Today we are going to learn about Mirth Connect support advanced search filter, and we are also going to focus on inside advanced search filter the message ID, original ID, and import ID, server ID, and how to filter based on them. We'll go to Mirth Connect engine, and this is one of the channel which I created with multiple destination like 1, 2, 3, 4, and I intentionally processed multiple messages over here and made them errored out. So I'll explain you how to search by using advanced search filter. In the previous video, we learned about advanced search filter and how to search based on the destinations. Now what I'll do, I'll search based on the message ID. So you might be wondering what is message ID. So when you see over here, there is an ID for each and every message which has been generated. If you have multiple messages over here, you can see the least message which I can see is like 42741. Okay, and the top message I can see the count over here, and the top message over here is like 42760. Let's not go to another page, we will only calculate this particular page. Okay, what I'll do, I'll use advanced search filter, and I'll use a 42760, and I'll type 42760, and I'll click OK, and I'll search. Boom, we got this message. So this is very helpful when you have like 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs of message processing, and again to search, and even you don't know where is the message actually in, you might be searching in all the destinations. So that would be one criteria, and you can use this message ID to track down exactly, and it will take not more than few seconds to come. But if you are using something like text search to search that particular message, it would take lots of time. So you can filter on the basis of message ID. If you even know what is the destination, you can select that particular destination, but using the message ID is very helpful, and I'll tell one of the use case when this will be used. So we'll take one real-time example. We'll go back here, and I'll just enlarge this particular thing to make it look big. Yep. So our client says resend the message from January 7th to July 8th. Okay, and today's date is like something in December. When you filtered from January 7th to July 8th over here, I'll just go to search, and I'll select something like January 7th to July 8th over here. But when I search, there are around 1.6 lakhs message. Okay, you will get it. Maybe it will take some time, but you will get it. The part is currently it's December. You have 1.6 lakh messages till July, and you have lots of messages from August to December. So you need to only filter of January 7th to July 8th, and your client has no timeline given. So your client says they want only from January 7th to July 8th, and they don't have timeline. It would be difficult. They might want some messages from 11:41 a.m. from January 7th to 11:41 p.m. July 8th, but they don't know the time. But they gave you the message ID. So from this particular message we need it. So what you can do, you can come to advanced search filter, and for example I'll just remove all this. I'll just go back. And I'll come. So all the settings will be set. Yep. So you know only one thing. For example, it's 42760. So your client says they you need to resend from 4276 to 56 to 42760. So they will be giving this particular IDs 427. Okay, it's 42756 to 4260. Okay, I just took a normal example. They want from this to this. Okay, what I'll do, I'll enter 42756 to 42760. There is another option over here. Go to advanced and enter. I'll just copy this 42756, and I'll paste it over here. Okay, I'm unable to paste it. Control copy, control paste. Okay, the paste is not working. I'll type it manually. 42756 to 42760. Okay, 42756, and you can even search till the end 42760. So when you search with this, it will only give the messages which are from 42756 to 42760. I'll click OK and I'll press search. When you drag it, you can see you got only from 42756 to 42760. So it would be very easy to track down the messages and search it. When I reprocess the result, only the messages which are from 756 to 760 will be resending. So your client might be again saying resend from 4 to 46 to till date. So they don't even have the message ID, and even you don't know. And this can be circumstantial. Sometimes your client might be providing this message ID. Sometimes you need to search by yourself. It all depends on this. So if they provide this, send from this particular message ID to today. I don't know the message ID of today. What you will do, you will go to advanced search filter. You will enter 4246 over here, and you don't know the message ID of the ending message, so you will not enter anything. Automatically, Mirth Connect will search the message ID from 42746 to the latest message, which is nothing but 4260 over here, to the latest message, and I'll press OK, and I'll press search. You can see the message is from 42746 to the latest message is nothing but 42760. What we'll do, we'll send another sample message to test it down whether it's searching or not. Okay, it was 260, right? I'll go ahead and send a message, and I'll refresh it. Okay, so the latest message is 42761. I'll go to advanced. I'll enter over here 42746, and I won't enter anything, so it should search till 61. I'll click OK. I'll search. You can see it is from 42746 to 42761. So when you won't enter anything over here, it will search till the latest date. If you enter anything here, it will search till the latest message ID. So this is very helpful when you are dealing with bulks of messages, like lakhs of messages. So I only gave an example over here from 10 to 15 messages. In real time, you will be dealing in bulk lakhs of messages in production. So in that case, it would be very helpful when you are using this message ID. It will take only a few seconds to track it down. Similarly, the original ID, input ID, server ID are other details which are inside the HL7 message. You can custom write them, so you can use that particular IDs to track the particular message. And the other thing is, like, whatever criteria you are searching over here, automatically it will be shown in the current search. For example, here it is 42761, minimum message is 4246. I'll click OK and I'll search. You can see as this is the latest message, it's taking 61. What I'll do something over here. I'll remove everything. I'm not searching with the message ID, so this shouldn't show here. I'll search. See, the current search says that the maximum message ID is 42761, and I'm not searching any. Date range is any because I didn't select anything. Status anything. For example, if I select some date, it will automatically change when I search. You can see the date. So even you will be able to easily know what is the status of the dashboard by this current search. If I go back and come over here, you can see the latest message ID is 42761. I didn't select anything over here. It is not selected. I'll go to advanced and I'll give something like 123, some random number, and I'll click OK. And I click over here. You can see the minimum message is 23422, but it doesn't exist over here. Okay, and you can see still the messages are here. You know why? It is taking the minimum message ID from 23422, but the maximum message ID is like till the current date, which is nothing but the latest message. What you can do, you can surprise Mirth by giving the maximum message ID over here 42761. No, more than that. Okay, 42762. What we will get? We will not get anything because there is no message ID with 42762. The latest one is 61. I'll search. See, 42762 minimum, maximum is this, but it will not. That's how you are going to use this advanced search filter message ID to make it very simple. And the other thing is, like, if you use text search, any content inside that particular message will be searched. For example, I'll search. So there are messages over here. If you use text search, you can copy sending application and keep it over here and search it. This is the content inside the message. So there's a difference between text search and the ID search over here. So if text search takes a lot of time, it's always better to choose the ID search, which is very easy. It will be searching only for the IDs over here, rather than searching for like lakhs of text in the messages. It will be very easy to search with the IDs. If you want to improve your text search, like the search capability more fast, you can do the dual search. For example, it's SEHWAG. If I only search with Sehwag, I'll get something like this details. So if I know 42751 is the one message which I'm tracking with the name of Sehwag, I'll do one thing: 42751, 42751, yep, 42759. So I'm using both of the search over here. So it will reduce the number of iterations which Mirth is trying to search, and it will reduce the stress on the processor, and it will search very fast. Okay. So the more you use the advanced filter, the more you will be productive in the real-time production support, and it will be very quick enough you to track down the message and reach out to your client on how to troubleshoot it. So we'll conclude this particular part over here and discuss the next search filters in the next video.